Most people think the only way to get bright skin is through harsh chemical peels or abrasive scrubs that actually damage your skin barrier. But at Maxinua, we do things differently. Our Overnight Turmeric Collagen Peel isn't just a mask, it's a 12-hour infusion. Turmeric is nature's most powerful anti-inflammatory, and when paired with high-potency collagen, it doesn't just sit on the surface, it works while your skin is in recovery mode at night. It targets dark spots, calms redness, and pulls out impurities without stripping your natural oils. The ritual is simple. Apply a thin layer before bed, let it set, and go to sleep. By morning, the mask has locked in moisture and delivered the active ingredients deep into your pores. The result? A literal, new layer of skin. Now, you won't find Maxinua on big box store shelves. To maintain the peak potency of our collagen, every batch is fresh packed. This is why we ship directly to our community in the US, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. Because we don't use mass storage warehouses, your order may take 10 to 20 days to arrive. But when it comes to your skin's health, quality this high is always worth the wait. Ready to transform your skin with the power of turmeric? You can find our Turmeric Glow Mask and the rest of our ritual essentials in the Wake Up Glow collection. Click the link below to shop now. We offer full door-to-door tracking so you can follow your glow every step of the way.